Hello viewers and my dear friends. So today I am going to teach you the Visargasya Lopaha. Rule number 2. So before teaching this, I have to request you, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. So whatever the video I will upload related to NCERT class 10 Sanskrit or grammar, it should be brought into your notice so you can enjoy. So Visargasya Lopa, it is the part of NCERT class 10 grammar part, okay, where in Sandhi Viched 4 marks will be there and there won't be any options. So you have to make yourself, okay. Now, so I will not delay, just to listen. Yesterday already I taught you rule number 1, today rule number 2. That's why I wrote here kha. You just try to understand what definition says. If before visargaha a is there, afterwards you see the comma, follow it, I gave some comma. So you will also read in that way and tally from this definition to this short form which is mentioned inside the manjusha, or you can say the box. So this is the main thing. This short form is the main thing, okay. You should not forget this one. If you will not forget this short form, automatic you will get good marks in Sandhi Viched part. What the definition says? Definition says, if before visargaha a is there, before visargaha, if before visarga a is there, this is the visarga symbol, okay. This visarga symbol is this one. So if before visarga a is there, so before visarga, this is the visarga. Before visarga what is there? A is there. Before visarga a is there. And after it, after it means after this plus, if there is any other vowel, this part means after plus, if any other vowel other than a, that's why I wrote here except a. After plus a should not come. A, e, u, ri, a, o, whatever the vowel is there, it should come after plus, but a should not be there. A should come before visarga, means left side of the plus, visarga will be there. Before visarga a should come, this part, and afterwards other vowel except a. Then what will be the consequence? The consequence, visarga omitted. Visarga is the symbol of, okay, this is the means visarga won't be there. Omitted means won't be there. It should be disappeared. So this is the definition. This is the short form which I wrote. It is the you must remember and note down this everything in your note copy, students, my dear. Then slowly you read and tally it from this definition to short form which is written in the box, and you just follow the example. This is the best method. When you follow the example, you can understand. This is the definition, this is the short form, okay, which is very important, the short form, and tally with this example also, so you can understand very easily. Now what they told, again I repeat, they told before visarga if a will come. Now here Rama is there. Rama is there means what? In the ma, what is there? Ma plus a is there. Then visarga is there. Suppose I am writing mah. Mah means what? Plus a, then visarga. Okay. So the before visarga what is there? A is there. Then what is there? Here a should not come. What is there? A. But here vowel should be there. But only a should not be there. A, e, u, ri, a, o, whatever may be, it should come here. but a should not be there. So that's why after sandhi vichhed means what? Always keep these two part. Bas. This is the part of this sandhi or sandhi vichhed. Okay. So after plus what is there? A is there. Then what they are telling? The visarga omitted. Visarga omitted. They are telling visarga omitted. So that's why Ramah plus agachati is equal to Rama agachati. Rama agachati. Here Ramah. Pronunciation you follow. Ramah agachati. Here Rama agachati. So you see the visarga is not there here. Why? Because here before visarga was there. In ma already a included. But after plus rule is telling that here a should not come, but other vowel, not consonant. Consonant should not come. Please keep it in mind. So that's why visarga omitted. So Rama agachati. Next, another example you can say also that suppose mah. Then this one atah. In ta visarga, what is there? Ta visarga means ta means half ta plus a, means in this ta already a is included. And what is there afterwards? Visarga is there. So before visarga a is there. Then what is there? They are telling except a, here any vowel should come. So a is the vowel. Okay. So what is they are telling? Visarga omitted. Visarga omitted. Clear? So that's why they told atah plus eva. Here you see visarga is not there. Ataeva. Atah plus eva. Ataeva. So before leaving this, I have to inform you again, my dear student. Please note down these things and read again. Tally with the short form and example. Okay, and especially you will take care about this comma, where the comma you stop and tally it slowly go. Hope and repeatedly you will just watch my video. Hope you will understand and you will get the good marks in Sanskrit. If visarga lopa any they are asking the sandhi or related to sandhi vichhed. Thank you.